Hello guys, welcome back to another video. If your Google Chrome is running slow and you want to make it faster, this tutorial is for you. Because we're going to clean the junk and the cache from Google Chrome and also clean the browsing history. You can do that and it is very handy. Open your Google Chrome and at the top right corner where you have the three dots, we need to click on that and then you will find delete browsing data. And it will open up this delete browsing data. And from here, you can select the time range like this for the past 24 hours or last 7 days or all time like this. And then simply select the check mark for cookies cache and also select the browsing history. And if you click on show more and can also see download history. If you have passwords you want to clean, you can do that as well. By doing only 3 basic things, your Google Chrome will be faster. Yes, if you clear the cookies in most of the sites, it will sign out. So you need to sign in all right. But the best part is you will clean your Chrome and you will optimize your Google Chrome. So we just need to click on delete data. It will take some time, but it will clean your Google Chrome and make your Google Chrome faster, just like before. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, just hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Goodbye.